everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share some styling ideas for you for your coffee table for the fall season. I've put together some ideas and I really hope you enjoy them. My first one, guys, is very much Chanel inspired. I love that I used a pop of colour with the tray and added my Z Gallery pumpkins to the centre for a touch of sparkle. Favourite pastimes is putting together decorative ideas on my coffee table. I love putting together little vignettes with pops of sparkle for my home. As I'm definitely a glam girl, I love putting together fall ideas on my coffee table, and I love to bring together my glam items into one grouping. Because my coffee table is square, I love how my Z Gallery pumpkins take centre stage on my round tray. I then moved on to my second option, and I love that I added a little hint of blush pink. I added coffee table books to the front, and I'm so in love, guys, with this recent purchase from Amazon, my Christian Dior coffee table book. I love the flowers in the perfume bottle. I've also added my Girl Boss book with a pink polka dot cup and saucer. And little Miss Bella had to come over and check out what I was up to. In a TK Maxx gold bowl on the left, I've added these beautiful Target Australia pumpkins. Then to my right, I've added a vase with some white fake hydrangeas and a mercury glass pumpkin in a gold tray with a candle. Fall is definitely about warm, cozy nights by the fire, and styling your coffee table can be simple, guys. It's just by grouping things together. If you really want to make a statement, a little sparkle goes a long way. My next coffee table style has a Audrey theme. Yes, you guessed it, guys. I absolutely love Audrey Hepburn. And I love how I grouped all these items together to call this one Audrey's Table. I started by adding 2 coffee table books to the right hand side, my Chanel one as well as my Breakfast at Tiffany's. These were purchases from eBay. To the back left are these beautiful TK Maxx Australia bling candle holders, and in front of that is my DIY Audrey Hepburn pumpkin. I'll leave a link to that video down below. Then to my back right is my absolutely gorgeous pumpkin that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. It has fairy lights inside, guys, and I am so in love with it. It was one of my favourite purchases this year. Styling your coffee table doesn't have to be expensive, guys. The one thing that I love to do is shop my own home, as well as do DIY projects and bring it all together. My next coffee table style is one of my favourites. You'll notice here that I'm using my Cinderella pumpkin, which was a recent purchase from TK Maxx. To the front, I've added my DIY bling pumpkins. If you'd like to see that video on how I made them, I'll leave that linked down below. If you remember from my Shop With Me video, this pumpkin from TK Maxx was actually broken and missing a wheel. I got it on clearance for just $20 and I brought it home, did a little bit of a DIY and added another pumpkin wheel to the back. When styling your coffee table for fall, don't be afraid to mix metals, guys. I absolutely love that I mixed the silver bling with some gold accents. I added some more coffee table books as well as these beautiful fake flowers from TK Maxx, and I love how it all blended so nicely. This adorable Cinderella pumpkin really makes my heart smile. I absolutely love the way it looks, and it always makes me so happy when I look at it. My next coffee table style comes together with the colours blush pink and burgundy. I absolutely fell in love with this burgundy pumpkin at TK Maxx recently. I added some coffee table books with my Kate Spade pink book and also added this gold pumpkin also from TK Maxx. Again, because my coffee table is square, I try to use things that have different shapes and textures. For example, I try to use a round cake stand. This gives some visual height. Playing with visual height once again, I stacked up my coffee table books and added these beautiful bouquet of fake flowers from TK Maxx. I love that this particular style also took on a very glam look. My next coffee table style comes with a very gold and rustic theme. I added this rustic tray that I picked up off eBay and added some gold leaves that were Christmas decorations from last year. I then added this adorable white owl that I picked up from the store Ronnie's Home Depot. Then to the right, I have my TK Maxx gold and white pumpkin. And in the front, these glitter pumpkins are now at Target Australia. At the back, playing around with different heights, I added this white rustic lantern, and inside I put another Target glitter pumpkin, as well as some fairy lights. I love how this particular style was very glam, but also had a very rustic feel. definitely one of my favourite seasons, guys, and I love bringing to you different ideas on how you can style your coffee table for the fall season. Now, my final coffee table styling idea, guys, was with this very, very glam pumpkin. I picked this up last year at TK Maxx and it screams bling. I combined it again with my Z Gallery pumpkins. They are so sparkly as well, and I placed them on a mirrored round tray. I added a candle to the front in this mercury-like jar. I then took a mercury-like vase and added these beautiful fake blue flowers for a little pop of colour. I absolutely love how glam this particular style is. It definitely has Shell's name written all over it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite coffee table style. I hope I've inspired you guys to decorate your coffee tables for the fall season and maybe add a touch of glam as well. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.